Imagine you're in your car with your family. Suddenly, the engine dies. You're stuck on a cold winter road, the temperature drops fast, and your kids are shivering. Most drivers destroy their engine this way without even knowing it. Today, I'm going to show you 7 deadly winter mistakes that will kill your engine if you don't act. And the 4th one can literally save your family and car. Tip number 1. For diesel engines, glow plugs play a vital role in ensuring smooth starts, especially during cold weather. Waiting for the glow plug light to turn off before starting the engine allows the plugs to properly heat the combustion chamber. Skipping this step or neglecting to check glow plugs each winter can lead to hard starts, increased engine wear, and even potential damage. Starting too soon may result in incomplete combustion, producing excess smoke and reducing efficiency. Regularly checking and maintaining glow plugs helps protect your engine and ensures reliable performance throughout the colder months. Tip number 2. Holding the starter for more than 10 seconds when trying to start a cold engine can put excessive strain on both the starter motor and the battery. Prolonged cranking may lead to overheating, increased wear, and even permanent damage to these components. To avoid this, it's best to limit each attempt to no more than 10 seconds. If the engine doesn't start, wait about 30 seconds before trying again. This simple approach helps protect your vehicle's electrical system and ensures a longer lifespan for your starter and battery. Tip number 3. Using the wrong oil during winter can have a significant impact on your engine's health. Thick oil struggles to flow efficiently in cold temperatures, which means critical engine components may not receive adequate lubrication when you start your car. This can lead to increased friction and accelerated wear, especially during those chilly morning startups. To ensure your engine is properly protected, it's important to switch to a winter-grade oil that's specifically formulated to remain fluid in low temperatures. Making this simple change helps your engine run smoothly and extends its lifespan throughout the colder months. Tip number 4. Monitoring your vehicle's antifreeze and coolant is absolutely essential, especially as temperatures drop. Ensuring the coolant level is adequate and the concentration is correct helps prevent the engine from freezing, which can lead to catastrophic damage. This simple check is often overlooked, yet it is the most critical step in protecting your engine during cold weather. Regularly inspecting and topping off coolant can save you from costly repairs and keep your car running smoothly throughout the winter months. Tip number 5. Revving a cold engine right after starting can cause unnecessary strain and damage. When an engine is cold, oil hasn't fully circulated to all its moving parts, leaving them vulnerable to increased friction and wear. It's best to let your engine idle for 1 to 2 minutes after starting, allowing the oil to reach critical components and ensuring proper lubrication. This simple habit helps extend the life of your engine and improves overall performance. Avoiding immediate high revs is a key step in responsible vehicle maintenance. Tip number 6. Neglecting battery health can lead to serious problems, especially during winter. Cold temperatures put extra strain on your car's battery, making it more likely to fail when you need it most. A weak battery may struggle to start your engine, leaving you stranded in harsh conditions. To avoid unexpected breakdowns, it's wise to check your battery's condition before winter sets in. Carrying a portable booster can also provide peace of mind, ensuring you have a backup if your battery lets you down. Tip number 7. Frequent short trips can be tough on your vehicle's engine. When you drive only short distances, the engine often doesn't reach its optimal operating temperature. This means oil and other fluids don't circulate as effectively, which can lead to increased wear over time. To minimize this, consider combining errands into a single longer trip whenever possible. Alternatively, allowing the engine to run a bit longer before shutting it off can help ensure it warms up properly and operates more efficiently. By following these essential steps, you can help ensure your engine stays protected and runs smoothly throughout the winter months. Staying proactive with car care not only extends the life of your vehicle, but also keeps you safer on the road. If you found these tips helpful, consider subscribing for more expert advice on maintaining your car. Sharing this information can also help others prepare for the colder season. Remember, a little preparation now can make a big difference when temperatures drop. changes, checking coolant levels, and replacing air filters are simple steps that make a big difference. Monitoring tire pressure, keeping an eye on warning lights, and using quality fuel all contribute to a healthier vehicle. Finally, scheduling routine inspections ensures small issues don't become costly repairs. By following these easy actions, you protect your engine and your wallet.